Hi guys, it's Ian and today we are playing Build a Boat. Okay, so we build a boat. Let me grab these. Now I build. This is what I came up with. Now we launch. Ugh, damn it, why is it going so slow? Oh my god, I'm actually going. I don't really like this boat, I want to make another one. Hi guys, I'm back and I just got a plan. I'm gonna build a grave. Aw, damn it, I'm stuck. I guess I will reset. Nice, I'm not stuck anymore. Now, let's build. We need to add a chair. Nice. Now, bury me. Okay, now I'm done burying myself. Let's launch. Nice, our boat is going great. Geez, I almost flipped. Hello, normal person in Ohio. What is happening? Help. Aw, damn it. Anyways, let's open a chest later. Okay, chest opening time. Wait, before opening, I want to see if there's something I can buy. Okay, never mind. Let's do this. Nice. Now let's build a weird boat. I'm just gonna use these sticky blocks. Damn, this is looking fresh. Let's go. No way, I can move this thing myself. Anyways, I'm just gonna play Crab Rave while I'm doing this. Ian Viben to the music. We met again, Ohio person. This is taking way too long, so I'm just gonna add a video for you guys to watch.
Proof that not everything can be an album cover.
I'm bored, so that's it for this video.